here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Vinny. And I don't know what we're making, but I like what I see.
Today, Lily, we are making Calamari Arrabbiata. These are called hot cherry peppers.
Love that.
All right? I want some of the rings, but I'm gonna want some of it chopped also. The chopped ones are gonna go right in here. So now we got our tubes and tentacles. I'm gonna just remove the fins. Pro tip, you're gonna just slide the knife. Look at that. Oh. We wanna season this very well. We're throwing the cherry peppers right in here together.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna toss this around. Can you hit me with some flour, please?
Sure.
I need more flour, Lily. I'm probably gonna need 2 more. Look at that, fully coated. We're gonna put that in there. Perfect. We're gonna drain it on a paper towel plate here. We're gonna build our arrabbiata sauce right now. We got some extra virgin olive oil, okay? We are gonna enhance this with a good amount of garlic. Remember the cherry peppers we chopped before? So we're gonna take some of those. We're gonna put a little bit of red wine vinegar.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit, a touch. Little marinara for you there. That's going right in this Fra Diavolo sauce. Fresh chopped parsley.
Don't mess up the wine.
I'm not gonna do it, I'm not gonna mess it up.
Oh
I'm not gonna mess it up, I see it's splashing. There it is. Calamari Arrabbiata.
Oh, one of my favorite things. And if you want to try this, head to newspell.com and you will find the recipe there. I cannot wait to try it. Thanks, Vince.
Let's do it. My pleasure as always.